Located around the house, we have these just under 300-gallon rain tanks that we will be connecting to the gutters up above. And those we will then use to water our garden. This extra area is where we're eventually planning to have the main part of our garden. Right now we've just been collecting things because you put a little bit of fill down at the bottom before you put in dirt. And then we're also going to figure out some solar shade because this area faces the west, gets lots of afternoon sun.